Welcome to the video series about the integration of SINAMICS G220 converter into the SIMATIC Process Device Manager. My name is Simona, and in this part we are going to have a look at one of the interesting features of the SINAMICS G220 FDI device package basic, monitoring and operation functions. You will find these functions in the diagnostics menu. Select and click on Monitoring and Operation option, which opens the window containing 5 tabs. First of them is the drive status, providing the overview of the most relevant drive actual values, as for example speed and current. The next tab allows to monitor control and status word. Both bitwise view as well as hex value is provided. There is also a possibility to monitor statuses of drive digital inputs and outputs, both types, regular and fail-safe ones. Monitoring of actual values is also possible for analog inputs and outputs. For each analog input or output, also the scaling parameters can be shown. To monitor the trend of up to 4 most relevant drive parameter values during the operation, use the simple chart recording, the last tab in the Monitoring and Operation window. In our example, we selected to monitor trend of the actual speed and current. The minimum and the maximum values of the parameters on the chart are pre-configured, but are editable to customize the view. Well, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed this FDI device package basic video tutorial series. Bye bye!